must take Lagos. Must. The people who want to keep it are fighting. We that want to take it must fight harder. The people who want to keep it are threatening. We that have to take it must prepare for that threat. There is no new thing they are going to do now in Lagos. We already know what they will do. Therefore, we must prepare in our large numbers to go to our polling units. You must encourage your parents that came out before. You must tell your friends that don't have PVC, come and help me protect my parents. We are going to vote so that you will live in Lagos, so that I will live in Lagos, so that we can protect ourselves. Because if we do not take Lagos, I do not know if you can still stay in Lagos. To stay in Lagos, you have to win Lagos. It is that straight. To remain there, we must win. To remain there, to do that your business, for your parents to go to that church, for you to stay in that estate, to enter that bus, that Marua, you must win. It has come to that. Tinubu has brought the country to precipice. The only way is to defeat them so we can lock them up and send them to jail. The only way is to defeat them so we can put them in prison where they belong. We must. It is not a matter of, what you must fear is fear itself. That fear you have is what you should be afraid of. Because these people do not care whether you voted or not. They will attack you in your shop, in your house, on your street.